No, 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 no. Stir, stir, stir. That's a no, no. This is John stirring. Stir. Stir, stir, stir. You gonna mash? Where's your masher? Get the masher. Yeah, that's the masher. Now mash. Say mash, mash, mash. Mash, mash, mash. That's right. And then stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir. Uh-oh, what? John on the counter, cooking with water and his toes in a whisk. Stir, stir, stir. Are you done? You ready to get down? Say hi. Can you say Breck? Yeah. Can you say Abby? Say Abby. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna wave? That's John at the pet store looking at the birdies. Say hi. Look at his face. Look at all the birdies. Wow. Say hi, birdies. John. Lots of birdies. Oh, there's a big one over here. Jeff, there's big ones right there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
John, look at the birdies. Hold them up. Let me see. John, oh, those are pretty.
You ready? Not ready. That's Sydney. His name is Sydney.
What?
And that's Fiesta.
Is that really its name? Oh, it is. John, look at all the birdies. They're crazy.
Got a little birdie here.
Don't put your fingers in. What'd you see? Hey, there's a snake right there, huh? Where are you going? John, look where Daddy's going. Look over here.
I get the package.
You got the package. Hey, little package.
That's what he was saying, those little things up there.
For him. John, look. Hey, look at these, Jeffrey. What's in there? Yeah, look at that.
Check it.
What you see, buddy?